Alright, so we are solving the gateway problems for Math 104. So this is problem number 63. So this is the last problem from the problem set 59 to 63, and this one is based on the log rules, solving equations using log rules. Okay, so here we have ln 3x plus ln x minus 2/3 is equals to 1/2 ln 64, and we are interested in solving, we are interested in finding the value of x, okay? So now what should we do? So as you can see, the left hand side is the sum of two logs, and we have a log rule for that. We know that the sum of two log is just the product of the insides, and this is the law we are going to use for the left hand side. And for the right hand side, what should we do? So we have 1/2 ln 64, and if you look at rule number 3, you can see that we are going to use law number 3 for the right hand side. And if you do that, for the left hand side we will get ln of the product of the insides, which is 3x times x minus 2/3. This is what we will get for the left hand side. And on the right hand side, using law number 3, we will get this one is ln of the coefficient comes to the exponent. So we will have 64 to the power 1/2. So this is what we will get. Now what do we do? So now we are just going to use the second step, taking both of them to the power of e. So we will have e to the power ln 3x times x minus 2/3 is equals to e to the power ln 64 to the power 1/2. And now e and ln are inverse of each other, therefore they cancels, and we will get 3x times x minus 2/3 is equals to 64 to the power 1/2. And this one is an equation, and we are going to solve this equation. So the first thing you should notice is that what is 64 to the power 1/2? So this one is nothing but the square root of 64. And what is square root of 64? It is nothing but 8. So we have 3x times x minus 2/3 is equals to 8. And now let us simplify. So if you distribute this multiplication, we will get 3x times x, which is 3x squared, minus 3x times 2/3, which is just 2x, is equals to 8. And now you take the 8 to the left hand side, you subtract 8 from both sides. So we will get 3x squared minus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0, and this one is a quadratic equation. So we are just going to use the quadratic formula for this equation, and if you use that, we will get x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now if you simplify this one, then you will see that we will have two solutions. And what are those two? So we will have negative of negative 2 will give you 2. So we will have 2 plus, taking the plus sign. What is this one? So this one is negative 2 whole squared, which is 4. And this one is 12 times negative 8. So that is negative 96. So 96 plus 4, so that is 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So 2 plus 10 divided by 6, which is just 12 over 6, which is 2. And the other one should be 2 minus 10 over 6, which is negative 8 over 6, which is negative 4/3. Now don't forget to do the last step. You have to plug these solutions back into the original equation to check whether they are actual solution or not. If you plug 2 back into the original, you can see that all this term 3x is positive, 2 minus 2/3 is 4/3, which is positive again, and then this side is already positive, ln positive number. So all of them are defined, so 2 is indeed a solution. So this solution works. And what about this one, negative 4/3? If I plug negative 4/3 back into the original, then we will see the first term becomes ln of 3 times negative 4/3, which is negative 4. But ln of negative 4 does not make sense because the domain of ln is positive real number. So negative 4/3, this solution will not work. So we have got only one solution for this problem, which is x is equals to 2. That is the answer.